Hello children. Children, in my previous video lessons, I taught you all the four kinds of present tense and gave you worksheet according to those video lessons. Hope you all have understood and did the worksheet and understood all the rules of present tense and its kinds. So students, today I will move forward with its next kind, that is past tense. Students, as I told you that each tense has four kinds. So in the same manner, past tense has also four kinds. First kind is past indefinite or simple past. Second, past continuous tense. Third, past perfect tense. Fourth, past perfect continuous tense. So students, just move forward with the first kind of past tense, that is past indefinite or simple past. Students, it is used to indicate an action that was completed sometime in the past in a certain period of time. The work has nothing to do with the present time. The work is completed in the past time and action is over. It is not in the present moment. The action is not being done in the present moment. It was done in the past time and completed. So just try to know its formation. First of all subject, then second form of the verb, then other words. First of all subject, then second form of the verb. Students, in past tense you have to do simple past tense, you have to use second form of the verb with all the subjects, with all the persons, whether they are singular and plural. This is very easy to learn it, that you have to use only second form of the verb with all the subjects, whether they are plural number or singular number. You will have no problem. Just learn all the three forms of the verbs and you will have no problem to understand the tense. So just try to learn each day some verbs. First of all, I will start with positive sentences. Students, as I told you that with all the subjects, whether they are singular or plural, you have to use second form of the verb. So first sentence is, here I have written to make you understand different kinds of person. I, you, he, she, we, they. So these two are plural number, he, she are singular number, you and I take plural verb, but you have to use only second form of the verb with all these. You don't have to use any other form of the verb. So only use second form of the verb with all the subjects, with all the persons. Here play, second form of the play is played. So I have used played tennis. It means I played tennis, you played tennis, he played tennis, she played tennis, we played tennis, they played tennis. Means all the subjects you have to use second form of the verb. In the same manner, second sentence I have written here, they went to school. I, you, he, she, we. Second form of the go is went. So with all the numbers, you have to use only second form of the verb. This is very easy to understand. So negative sentences of simple past, subject plus did not, then first form of the verb. Here you have to understand its formation. First of all subject, then here in positive sentences you have to use second form of the verb, but when it comes to negative sentences, students, you have to use did not, then you have to use first form of the verb. Remember it. So just pay attention to the example. Again I have written all the numbers, whether they are singular or plural, and used did not with first form of the verb. With all the numbers, whether they are singular or plural, with all the subjects, you have to use did not and first form of the verb in negative sentences. Just pay attention. So they did not play tennis. Here I have written first form of the verb play. Here I wrote second form of the verb play. because it is positive. In negative, you have to write first form of the verb with did not. So pay attention. In the same manner, second sentence is there, did not go to school. Here I haven't written went, I have written go because it is did not. Second form of do not. So you have to write first form of the verb in simple past with did not in negative sentences. Now come to the interrogative sentences. Students, at first you have to use did, then subject, then first form of the verb and other words. So in the same manner, rule is same as I taught you in present tense. At first you will write did, this verb, then subject, then first form of the verb, then other words. Did you go to school? Did they complete their? Here it is first form of the verb. You don't have to use second form of the verb if there is did. In interrogative sentences, you have to use did with the first form of the verb. So pay attention. Here I have written go, here I have complete. Second form of the verb of go is went, and second form of the verb of complete is completed, but you don't have to write it. In interrogative and negative sentences, you have to use first form of the verb with did. So these are the main rules. Just practice it, just learn it. It is not so difficult for the children like you because you have been taught tense many times. This is not new for you. So practice all. Today it is enough, and what will be given in worksheet you will do with whole attention.